Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I'm your teacher Rehnaz. So today we are going to do a poem named Khilaune Wala. Khilaune Wala means a toy seller. So in this poem there's a little boy who says to his mother that this toy seller has come again and he has different kinds of toys like small cars, a ball, small parrot in a cage or a train, etc. And he also tells to his mother that his friends are buying different toys. But then later he expresses his ideas and he says that he is not a small kid to play with all these kind of toys, and he wants to buy either buy a sword or bow and arrow, and he wants to go to the jungle like how Ram does, and he wants to hunt. So later on he even says that how will I go to the jungle without my mother, and who will be there to comfort me, and who will be there to be with me when I'm scared. So all this here the child innocently expresses in this poem. So come along with me and we'll read the poem and I'll explain it to you.
The name of the poem is Khilaune Wala. Khilauna means toys and Wala is a man, so it's a toy seller. वह देखो माँ आज खिलौने वाला फिर से आया है. वह देखो, look there, माँ is mother, आज today, खिलौने वाला the toy seller, फिर से again, आया है has come. So he's saying he's saying to his mother, the little boy, that look there mama, the खिलौने वाला has come today also. कई तरह के सुंदर सुंदर नए खिलौने लाया है. कई तरह के means different types of, सुंदर सुंदर beautiful, नए खिलौने new toys, लाया है he has got. So he's saying that this man toy seller has got different types of beautiful new toys today. हरा हरा तोता पिंजड़े में, गेंद एक पैसे वाली, छोटी सी मोटर गाड़ी है, सर 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 चलने वाली. So hara hara, that means green color. Tota is parrot. Pinjade mein, pinjada is cage. Gend ek paise wali. Gend is ball. Ek paisa, paisa means 1 rupee or 1 paisa. Wali. Choti si motor gaadi. Choti si means small. Okay. Motor gaadi is car. Sar 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 chalne wali. So he says there is a small car which makes a sound sar sar sar. It moves around saying that. So the boy says he has green color, a parrot which is in the cage. He also has ball which is of 1 paisa. And choti si, he has also a small car which makes sar 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 sound. सीटी भी है कई तरह की, कई तरह के सुंदर खेल, चाबी भर देने से भगभग करती चलने वाली रेल. So सीटी that means whistles, भी है कई तरह की, the whistles also are there of different types. कई तरह means different types. कई तरह के सुंदर खेल, different types of सुंदर beautiful खेल, that means games. चाबी भर देने से भगभग करती चलने वाली रेल. So chabi, that means if you give the key, you know, some toys will have a key, like if you rotate that, it plays or it moves around. So over here he says bhag karti chalne wali rail. Rail is train. So it's a train for it which, like, you know, if you wind the key and leave it, it makes a sound of bhag and it moves around. So then he says, गुड़िया भी है बहुत भली सी, पहने कानों में बाली. गुड़िया is dolls, okay. भी है बहुत भली सी, it looks very nice, it looks beautiful. पहने कानों में बाली, पहने means it has worn, कानों में in the ears, bali is earrings. So he says that for girls also there is like gudiya, dolls, which is beautiful and it is wearing earrings in its ear. छोटा सा टी सेट है, छोटे छोटे है लोटा थाली. So he says chota sa, a small tea set. You know, like when children play, they have a small kitchen set which has all the vessels and a tea set and everything. So here he say the boy says the toy seller also has a small tea set in which there is chote chote hai lota thali. Lota is the jug and thali is plate. So there is small jug or the pot in which you put the tea, and also there is plate, cup and saucer it refers to. छोटे छोटे धनुष बाण हैं छोटी छोटी तलवार. नए खिलौने ले लो भैया जोर जोर वह रहा पुकार. So है छोटे छोटे धनुष बाण हैं. धनुष बाण is the bow and arrow, and छोटी छोटी तलवार, small sword also. Then he says नए खिलौने ले लो भैया जोर जोर वह रहा पुकार. So over here it refers to the toy seller. He's saying that there is new toys, please buy everyone, and he's shouting it loudly. Zor zor means loudly. वह रहा पुकार. वह refers to the toy seller and he's calling everyone saying there is new toys, please buy. So can you see here in this picture all the things is mentioned over here? The bow and arrow, the small train, the tea set, and the whistles, of different types. Then there is a train, and here there is a doll. Okay. And now in the next para, in the next line he says who all has bought and what toys have they bought. मुन्नू ने गुड़िया ले ली है, मोहन ने मोटर गाड़ी. So Munnu has bought a doll. Okay, ले ली है means she has bought. मोहन ने मोटर गाड़ी. Mohan has bought car. मचल मचल सरला कहती है माँ से लेने को साड़ी. So machal machal, she's jumping around. Who is jumping around? This girl called Sarla. She's jumping around saying, कहती है माँ से. She's saying to her mother, लेने को साड़ी. So she's telling to her mother to buy a sari for her. The toy seller does not sell saris, right? So this boy is saying to this boy is asking to his mother, कभी खिलौने वाला भी माँ क्या साड़ी ले आता है? Do this toy seller, does he bring the sari also? So कभी does any time this toy seller खिलौने वाला भी or mother क्या has he got sari also? साड़ी ले आता है, has he brought sari any time? साड़ी तो वह कपड़े वाला कभी कभी दे जाता है. So साड़ी तो वह कपड़े वाला, that means the sari, the कपड़े वाला, the cloth seller, the man who sells clothes, कभी कभी दे जाता है, sometimes. Okay, कभी is sometimes, दे जाता है, he gives and he goes. So this boy is asking, does this toy seller even sell a sari? Sari is also, it's always sold by the cloth seller, who sometimes comes and gives it to you. अम्मा तुमने तो लाकर के मुझे दे दिए पैसे 4, कौन खिलौना लेता हूँ मैं, तुम भी मन में करो विचार. So he says, अम्मा तुमने तो लाकर, अम्मा you have given me, तुमने is refers to the mother, लाकर you have bought and given me, मुझे दे दिए पैसे 4, मुझे is me, दे दिए is given, पैसे 4 that means 4 पैसा, 4 is 4. कौन खिलौना लेता हूँ मैं, कौन means which toys, लेता हूँ मैं will I buy, तुम भी मन में करो विचार, you also, man is in the mind, करो विचार means think. So the boy is saying, Mama, you have given me 4 paisa or 4 paisa to buy something, right? But which toy am I going to buy? You have to think about it. तुम सोचोगी मैं ले लूंगा तोता बिल्ली मोटर रेल, पर माँ यह मैं कभी न लूंगा, ये तो है बच्चों का खेल. तुम सोचोगी, तुम refers to the mother over here. सोचोगी means You may be thinking, मैं ले लूंगा, I may buy. तोता बिल्ली मोटर रेल. तोता parrot, billy is cat, motor is car, or rail is train. पर माँ, but mama, यह मैं कभी न लूंगा. मैं is me, कभी न लूंगा means I will never buy. ये तो है बच्चों का खेल. ये तो means all these are बच्चों का खेल. It is for all these toys belong to small kids. So this boy is actually telling his mother, Mama, you may be thinking that I will buy a parrot, cat, or a car or a train. But Mama, all these I will never buy all these because they are all all these belongs to the small kids and I'm not a small kid. मैं तलवार खरीदूंगा माँ. या मैं लूंगा तीर कमान. जंगल में जा किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा राम समान. मैं तलवार खरीदूंगा माँ. Talwar is the sword. Can you see here? This is the sword. So he says, I'm going to buy sword. Kharidunga means buy. And he's telling his mother, Mama, I'm going to buy a sword. या मैं लूंगा तीर कमान. या means or. I will buy. Lunga is buy. Okay. तीर कमान is bow and arrow. जंगल में जा किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा राम समान. So I will go to the jungle. Jungle over here is forest. Meja, that means I will go to the jungle and किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा. Tadka is a character in Ramayana, okay? And he says that I'm going to kill. Marunga is kill. So I'm going to kill Tadka like how Ram did. Ram Saman means just like how Ram has killed the Tadka. तपसी यज्ञ करेंगे असुरों को मैं मार भगाऊंगा. Tapsi means the devotees, okay? They're doing the rituals or the puja, you can say. And asuro is the demons. को मैं मार भगाऊंगा. I'm going to kill them, like, and shoo them away. I'm going to chase them. यूं ही कुछ दिन करते करते रामचंद्र बन जाऊंगा. So यूं ही, like this kind of work, कुछ दिन, for few days, करते करते, I will do this for few days and I will become Ramchandra. बन जाऊंगा. So he's comparing himself to Ram. So he is assuming that he'll become Ram. Okay, and यही रहूंगा कौशल्या मैं, तुमको यही बनाऊंगा. यही रहूंगा, I'm going to stay here only. Kaushalya. So he is actually referring himself as Ram, and Kaushalya is Ram's mother in the Ramayana. So he's saying that तुमको यही बनाऊंगा means तुमको is, he is talking to his mother. यही means I'm going to make you. बनाऊंगा is make. So I'm going to make you as Kaushalya. That he's comparing himself. He's actually referring himself to Ram, and he's saying that he'll make his mother Kaushalya, because that's what Ram's mother is called in Ramayana. Okay, she's referred to as Kaushalya. तुम कह दोगी वन जाने को हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा. तुम is he's referring to his mother. कह दोगी, if you say one is the forest. Okay, if you ask me to go to forest, हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा means I will go happily. Okay, जाऊंगा means go away. हंसते हंसते means laughing or happily. Okay, पर माँ बिना तुम्हारे वन में मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा. But he says but माँ, mama, बिना तुम्हारे, like with bina means without, तुम्हारे is you, without you, one में, in the jungle, मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा, how will I be able to stay. मैं is I, कैसे, how, रह पाऊंगा is stay. So he's saying without you mama in the forest, how will I be able to stay. दिन भर घूमूंगा जंगल में, लौट कहाँ पर आऊंगा. दिन भर, the whole day, घूमूंगा is wander or walk around. Jungle is in the jungle, forest. लौट कहाँ पर आऊंगा, लौट means if I return. कहाँ पर, where will I come. like if I go away from you into the forest and if I roam around over there the whole day, where will I come back to? किससे लूंगा पैसे, रूठूंगा तो कौन मना लेगा? किससे means to whom, लूंगा will I take, पैसे money. So from whom will I take money? If I need something, from whom will I take if you're not there? रूठूंगा तो कौन मना लेगा? रूठूंगा means if I get angry or if I get sad or if I like don't talk to you, okay, like usually happens with kids, right? They say mama I won't talk to you, and later mama goes and says sorry, and she tries to get them back. So this boy is saying the same thing. If I get angry and if I'm like not talking to you, who will be there to pacify me and get me back? तो कौन मना लेगा? Who will pacify me and say everything is okay? कौन प्यार से बिठा गोद में मन चाही चीजें देगा? कौन प्यार से, कौन means who, प्यार से means with love, बिठा दे गोद में, बिठा means will make you sit, god is lap. So he says like who will take me and make me sit on their lap with so much of love. Man chahi cheezen dega. Man chahi means whatever you wish. Cheezen dega means things. Dega means give. So who's going to give all the things which I love? So actually it's like to the mothers, right? Like who gives all the things what the child asks for. So this boy is actually saying the same thing. If I go into the jungle, who will be there for me, to if I get angry, and who will be there to pacify me and take care of me, and who is going to make me sit in the lap and give me all my favorite things. Manchahi means favorite. So this is the story of a toy seller, and this boy is telling his mother about this toy seller. What are the different types of toys the toy seller gets every day, and who buys and what different kinds of toy his friends buy. And later on he says about himself like what do you think, which toy am I going to buy? He tells his mother, and he says I'm not going to buy all these toys which small kids buy. I'm going to buy the sword, or the I'm going to buy bow and arrow, and I'm going to act like just like Ram. Okay, in Ramayana I'm going to kill all the demons, and even if you ask me to go into the jungle I will go happily. And he refers to himself to Ram, and he refers his mother as Kaushalya. And he says, but if at all I go to the jungle, who will be there to take care of me? Who will actually pacify me if I get angry with you? And who is going to take me into their lap and make me sit in their lap and give me all the favorite things what I'm asking for? So this boy is actually saying all this, and he's referring to Ram and his mother as Kaushalya. Okay, so this is a poem, and which is written by the poet is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. So I hope you all like this. It's a very nice poem, it's in a simple language, which you all will understand. And over here, a small story of Ramayana is given. So it's better if if you want to find out more, you can read about it. You can even on Google it, and you will find out the story about it. I hope you all have enjoyed this. If you have any doubts or any suggestions or comments, please don't forget to leave that feedback in the comment box. So until my next video, take care.
I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.